Tamara, you just left your dog standing there. You left her.
I got the dog food.
Oh, you have dog food? Oh, you was going to buy dog food? Oh, okay. What'd you buy her to eat? What did you buy her? What kind of dog food?
Chocolate?
Chocolate? Dogs can eat chocolate? Oh, okay. I think her... Is she still eating, or is her nose... Is she crying because her nose hurt?
No.
Oh. Why is she crying?
Because she eat it.
Oh, that's how she sound when she eat? Oh, okay. Where you going now? You leaving your doggy behind? Should you take her with you?
No, I'm going to work.
You going to work?
Yes.
Well, who gonna watch the doggy?
She's not going to be quiet.
Oh, she's not gonna be quiet at work. Well, you can't. Oh, she hollering for you. She crying. She wants you to come back. But she's left all alone. Poor doggy. What's your dog's name? What's her name?
Shirley.
Who?
Shirley.
Shirley? Shirley? Okay. That Shirley's a nice name. It's antiquish. Antiquated.
I'm going to work. I'm going to class.
Where you work at? Around the corner.
I'm in the corner.
Tired. That's good exercise. But also skinny legs. You got it honest, honey.
Water. But Daddy needs water. She thirsty.
You thirsty?
I'm going to pour water.
Okay.
She's going to eat it.
She drinking water? Don't smash her face in the ground. You're hurting her.
She's drinking.
She's drinking?
It's not hurting.
Okay. Bring her mouth off.
I want to put her mouth.
You wiped her mouth? That was nice of you.
I want a Bible study.
You want a Bible study? Okay. What you gonna study in the Word, girl? Study a little Exodus with Moses. Well, Bible study's over pretty quick.
Dad just want more water.
Well, you taking good care of your doggy. I'm glad to see that. We are against animal cruelty. Don't hit her face on the ground. That hurts her.
It's not hurting her.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You hear her crying.
No, she don't. Because she wants dog food.
She said stop. She said, get my face off the ground. That hurts. Stop it now. Yes, she did. Here, pick her up and wipe her mouth off.
No,
She needs a doggy bowl. That's what she needs.
a doggy bowl.
Yes, she needs a doggy bowl.
I'm going to bed.
Yeah, that could be a doggy bowl. You're right. Can you fit any water in that little top?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Do it. Let's get her done. Good job. All right. You got it in there. And she could drink out of it. It's okay. It's just water to dry. Now she can drink out of her miniature doggy bowl. Oh, oh, that's not the bowl. That's quit playing. She's not gonna be your friend anymore.
Yes, she is.